In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access users and accounts. Then tap on Google under Passwords. Select one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!